Come test drive the 2017 Optima. The all-new Kia Optima offers a new level of style and performance features from Kia. The Optima also features engine management systems like direct injection and turbocharging, which enhance performance without sacrificing fuel efficiency. Its smooth flowing lines speak of grace and style and offer a strong hint of European luxury, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, tires front all season, tires rear all season, four-wheel disc brakes, driver illuminated vanity mirror, FWD. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.